Hi. So, I can't take a nap, and I need to. Doesn't that suck? When you're just like, I have to take a nap, and you can't take a nap. I went and saw my little baby. She was sleeping. She had a doctor's appointment today, so. And I got free bagels from Burgers. What? And awesome. She was just like, because I went there after my meeting this morning and I was just like, oh, I'm so hungry for a bagel. And I went and got it, and then, ooh, look at that. They like come right at you. It's freaky. So anyway, she gave me free bagels. Like 6 of them. Or 7 of them or something, I don't know. I gave them to my sister. Isn't that nice? What a nice. Birds. It's raining now. It's raining now. Outside, it's raining now. Yeah, I hate that. I'm trying to take a nap. Can't take a nap. If I don't take a nap, I'm just gonna be even more crabby. And then it like gets to a point where I was just like, well, I shouldn't take a nap now, because if I do that, then I'm gonna only sleep for a little while, and then I'm gonna wake up and be even more tired than I was before. This happened yesterday, because I worked a split shift yesterday. That's my story. Trying to take a nap. What else? I'm done for it to be raining. Wait, what? I'm ready for it to be done raining. I meant to say, can you even tell? The rain. Can you roll your R's? I don't really have anything to talk about at all. So I think I'm gonna go. And you're welcome for uploading so many vlogsies, because I didn't for so many days. Yep. Yep. So sick. I think I'm still coughing, but I think it's just some like residual allergies camping out in my lungs. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? It's gross. So, yep, gotta take a nap. Then I gotta go to work and do all kinds of things. I need a camera case. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.